Percents. 1 out of 3 into a percent. First, you would divide 3 into 1. 3 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Since 3 can't go into 1, you would put a decimal after the 1 and add zeros. So now the number is 10 decimal 3 into 10 is 3. Because 3 times 3 is you would do this until you come to a 0. But if the number is repeating, like your question, you would have an answer with more than 3 decimal places. Take the first 3, the third decimal place with determine whether or not the first 2 decimal places stay the same in this. In this case, our number is less than 6 decimal 50. The first 2 numbers stay the same.
So our answer would be 33%.
An example is 40 out of 60. 60 goes on the outside, 40 on the inside. 60 decimal after the 40 and zeros after the decimal. Then it's 60 into 400. That's 6. 6 goes on top. 60 times 6 is 3,600. 360. 360 is over 400. 40. Bring down the 0. So now you have 400. 60 into 400 is 360. 6 goes on the top. Again, 400, 360 is 40. Bring down the 0. So now it's 400. 60 into 400 is 360. 6 goes on the top. We know that our answer will go on forever. So you would put a hat over it. Take the first 3 decimal places. If the third number is higher than 6, you would round the second number up. So our answer would be 67%.
0.45 into a percent. If there is only 2 numbers after a decimal place, your answer would be the 2 numbers after a decimal.
So our answer would be 45%.
An example is 0.23 into a percent. All you would do is take the 2 numbers after the decimal. Our answer would be 23%. To subtract a percent times your number by the percent, so 78.77 times decimal 6, our answer is 47.26. Then subtract 47.26 from 78.77. Our answer would be 31.51. To add a percent, multiply your number by your percent. So 48.52 times decimal 6. Our answer will be 29.11. Then add 48.52 to 29.11. Our answer would be 77.63.
by Bethany, Chris, Brendan, Sarah, and Janice.
The end. Ta-da!
Done.